Hey guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have the brand new M2 iPad Air along with the accessories. We've got the Smartfolio and Magic Keyboard and of course the new Apple Pencil Pro. I'm really excited to customize it and show you guys the must-have apps, widgets, and everything that's on my new iPad. Let's get into it. I love customizing my Apple devices to be super aesthetic, but for my iPad specifically, I know it needs to be practical. I'm going to show you guys my must-have apps and widgets that help me with productivity, staying focused, but also are really cute and fun. Starting off the lock screen, I want to keep it simple, but also still cute. I got my background off of Pinterest. I'll link it below for you guys. And then my widgets I chose are my Gmail, because I'm using this mostly for work and as a secondary screen. So I really want to have my emails and all my work and note stuff on the forefront. The layout of the iPad needs to look good in both portrait and landscape, so I really like what I've done with this. And I feel like the large widgets, these like extra large ones on the screen, are what make it look really cool and aesthetic. And I got these from the iScreen app. As you can see, I have the time very large on the top, and what makes it look so good is that I have complementary colors. So I have transparent, and then I chose this light white color so it's not too crazy and still looks good. My home screen is my most used apps. Of course, we have my FaceTime, my Gmail, YouTube, Pinterest, GoodNotes, and Notion. So for Pinterest, this is where I find so much inspiration for either photography or outfits or even things to do in a new city. I'm headed to Paris on Sunday, so I thought it would be great to find some cool inspo pics, cool places to visit, some outfit ideas. If you guys have any recommendations in Paris, things to eat, things to do, let me know. Please let me know in the comments. So Pinterest, I love looking at that, especially on my iPad. Of course, it's fun on my iPhone, but it's more of a vibe sitting in my bed, scrolling through Pinterest, saving things to boards. I love it on my iPad. Then in my GoodNotes, I have a self-reflection journal where every morning I am dedicated to use this journal. I feel like writing on the iPad is just so fun. I also use GoodNotes for practicing calligraphy. I think it's really fun, especially with the new Apple Pencil Pro and the barrel roll features. So I just got these free printable sheets off of Google Images, and it's really fun practicing writing on there. I feel like it's kind of hard to write on an iPad unless you have like really nice handwriting. So practicing with calligraphy sheets has definitely helped me write way prettier. Then we have Notion. I feel like I planned my whole life on Notion, and I organized it so well that it works for me and is super cute. So a quick run through is we have my to-do list for the day. I also integrated a little aesthetic songs to play in the background. And then secondary tasks and other things I need to do. So I also included on the bottom, what would make today a good day? And I answer that. What would make today memorable? what would move me closer to my ideal vision. So I think that's really fun and cute. I do this every morning. I fill it out and then check it off as I go. I also have so many pages integrated in this. If you guys want to see more of a deep dive into my Notion, the custom one that I made, let me know. I'd love to do that. So yeah, that is everything that's on my first screen here. Oh, and then I have these cute widgets. So actually all of them are from the iScreen app on this page. So this picture on the top right is actually from Lake Como. I was there a few weeks ago and I love that it's like an old vibe and kind of vintage in this cute widget. And then on the bottom, it's just like a carousel going through from like Instagram. It's really cute. It's another widget from iScreen and I added photos of coffee that I had in Lake Como, a coconut I ate last week in LA, and then just like some other cute widgets or like another coconut from Hawaii. So my widgets on this page are my Notion, quick tap right there, and then we have an Apple TV one because I've been obsessed with Survivor. I recently watched a bunch of the old seasons and now I'm watching the new one and I cannot stop. So I have that there, so when I have some free time I can quickly watch it, even if it's just for 10 minutes. I'm addicted and love it. I feel like I would be such a good person on the show. Like I'm so competitive and I feel like I'd have a really strong social game. Yeah, I just love Survivor. So we got that as a widget. Then we have this widget on the bottom. I think it's really cute. You can write whatever you want, but of course I wanted to write like obviously the hello from Apple. I thought it was cool. But as I'll show you right now, we can clear it and I have it as a transparent background. So I think I'm gonna use the white font. I think it looks cool. You can write anything. Oh yeah, so with the Apple Pencil Pro, you can just squeeze and it launches all the tools right away. I love this. Super cute, right? Now let's save it. I think that this is really fun and I've recently discovered iScreen. There's so many different widgets, as you can see, ones that are really large, which is cool, and also like normal sized ones, but this is really fun to try out. I'm gonna show you guys my folders now. So of course we have my widgets, the iScreen app, and then the Miko app. You guys have definitely heard me talk about the Miko app a million times on my iPhone customization videos, but I use this one just for the tiny widgets on the lock screen. Then this isn't a widget, I just put it in here. So this is the iFont app where you can add custom fonts to your iPad. So say you're typing on like Good Notes, you'll have a really nice font. So here are a few that I found. I got these just on Google, and this one, Nest handwriting font, was from Etsy. And in my first folder is shopping folder. So I have my Teresa, Revolve, and Depop. Guys, I just found such cute stuff on Revolve for my trip to Paris. As you can see, some of these options are super, super cute. So yeah, go to my TikTok if you want to see a haul of everything I got. I think the package is arriving tomorrow. Now we have my utilities app. So Docs, Google Chrome, Drive, and Sheets. I'm always on these apps majority of the time, or I'm on my laptop and I have my iPad as a secondary screen with one of these open. So I usually have a spreadsheet, my Google Calendar, or files that I have to work with. And then we have ChatGPT. So I have ChatGPT there because I found a really fun like hack that you can do with your Apple Pencil Pro with the squeeze feature. Let me show you that quick. So in settings, you can go to Apple Pencil and you see on the top, it says that the squeeze automatically goes to show tool palette, like when you're drawing, but I'm changing mine to shortcut. So custom shortcut, right? So I customized it to have a shortcut that makes it split screen. So when I go like this, there we go. We have a notebook, whatever, if you're writing for school, and then ChatGPT on the left. So I feel like this is gonna be so useful for students or anyone who uses ChatGPT and is also doing like schoolwork or writing something could be really useful. My next folder is more of my creative folder. So we have this new app I just found out about. It's not new, but it's new to me. The Lake app. So basically it is a like adult coloring book and it's really fun to use. And I feel like it's actually very calming. And I just started using this for fun. I feel like it's just a fun activity. I'm always bored on airplanes and I think that this will be something fun for me to do. There's also tons and tons of different illustrations, all from small indie artists that you can color. I think it's so fun. They're all very unique. It's very calming. I love it. Then we have the Zinnia app. I actually downloaded this because at the Apple event in New York City, they showed me a fun calligraphy board they had on this. So I'm gotta figure out how to set that up, and I'm definitely going to because as you can see in my good notes, I love calligraphy and the Zinnia app was really cool for it too. Then we have Freeform. Guys, Freeform is a must-have app. It's already on your phone and iPads. You guys need to utilize it. It is so good. So basically, you can use it for doodling anything, drawing, writing notes, or you could use it as just like a huge board where you write ideas. You can also collaborate with other people like on projects. It's super cool. So I've like integrated links into it and videos. That's why I love it so much. So in the middle I have like my little YouTube, and then I put lines out to like, oh, here's my unboxing iPad video for my TikTok. Now here are some other video ideas. Then I have video ideas for Paris. Things I gotta do right here is like edit on the plane. We got script videos before I leave, and then a cute thing about Paris, how I'm gonna do a conference vlog, travel vlog. So yeah, I really like Freeform and I encourage you guys to try it out. It's really fun on iPad. I haven't tried collaborating with anyone on this yet, but I'm gonna do that and I'll probably make a TikTok about it because I'm really loving this app. Then we have Procreate. It's cool because the Apple Pencil has integrated the squeeze and barrel roll features into it. So it's cool because you can go to liquify and you just turn your Apple Pencil like this, Apple Pencil Pro, sorry, and you twist it in the barrel roll and you have the liquify feature. Really cool. Then for the entertainment folder, we have Goodreads and Kindle, of course. I love books that feel low-key like textbooks where I'm like learning and I can write notes. So I'm definitely gonna start writing notes now on my iPad instead of just like in the notes on my phone, on my iPhone. I feel like that would be good. Then we have Apple TV, Crave, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus. We gotta have that there. My iPad is definitely gonna be my travel companion, so I gotta download some shows for me to watch on my trip to Paris. If you have any recommendations, let me know. Then we have games. I have Genshin Impact and Spider Solitaire. Someone commented on my TikTok video saying I need to try Genshin Impact, so I'm definitely gonna test it out and see how I like it. I know the graphics are amazing. I've tried it out at the Apple event last year and I thought it looked spectacular, so I'm excited to try it on an iPad. And then Spider Solitaire, I love Solitaire and Spider Solitaire. I was always addicted as a kid, so I have to have that. Then we have Instagram, Spotify, and we got our Amazon. So I have my Amazon storefront. I always am updating it with like my spring favorites, vacation, travel, must-haves. I just did something for Mother's Day, so if you guys ever want to see the things that I like on Amazon, check out my storefront. Then we have TikTok, of course. And then we have the Aura app. So I've been using my Aura ring for I think a little over 3 weeks now. I use it majority to track my sleep. I love seeing how well my sleep score is every morning or how bad it is, truthfully. So I'm really into it and I love checking my stats every day, seeing my readiness score, sleep score, all of that. I feel like it's super useful. And I also can see like my stress levels on here. So it's kind of good because now I can be like, oh, when I'm doing this, it makes me stressed or makes me really excited or things like that. I feel like that's a good thing to monitor, and yeah, I can't recommend the Aura app and Aura Ring enough. Then we have the Thero app. I really love it. It is a Pomodoro timer app. So if you guys don't know what that is, basically it'll put a timer for however long, usually 25-minute increments, where you stay focused. So here we go. Let's start one. I usually have it for like an editing session. So here we go. It says editing. This ensures that I stay focused and don't open up other tabs or check my phone for the time that I set. I really want to stay more focused as I'm doing specific tasks. I feel like I get notifications and then I'll switch to a different project, or I'll go onto my email and then forget about what I was doing. And I feel like if I just focus on one thing at a time, I'll be more productive. I feel like this app is really making me be that way. I have it on my phone too, and it looks nice. A lot of the Pomodoro timer apps don't look that cute, but this one is it. So yeah, I'm really liking the Thero app. So yeah, that's everything that's on my iPad Air. I hope you guys loved the customization. Really excited because I also have the M4 iPad Pro. I'm going to be unboxing that and using that on my trip and as a daily device. So I'm going to show you guys my favorite features, what I love about it, and all my honest reviews. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!